Picture this. You as a corporate energy consumer got a news in the morning that your competitor in the same industry have recently signed a power purchase agreement at a tariff which is 20 paisa lower than what you have signed for a couple of months ago, and they're getting the power delivery in next couple of months, whereas you are waiting for a power delivery and expected in next 6 months. I'm sure you must be having a mixed feeling, grave feeling. Didn't I do a due diligence well on what terms to sign up for? Didn't I do due diligence well on which developer to sign up for? Did my team get the right market intelligence that I'm signing the terms which are so inferior what my competitors signed up for? This is the most common burning problem that every corporate energy consumer has while signing the open access or renewable energy solutions power purchase agreement. But let me tell you, you do not need to blame yourself for this. Rather, you should learn the science behind each of the terms that goes into a power purchase agreement and how to negotiate them. To help you do this, I'm going to break down for you the three most important burning terms that goes into a power purchase agreement so that you can learn this science through this video, implement on another 57 clause that goes into a power purchase agreement, and sign the power purchase agreement confidently rather than getting into a fear situation of that you are signing the PPA inferior than what your competitor has signed up for. The first most critical term that you need to negotiate in a PPA is the delivery of power. When are you likely to get the delivery of power? Would you be waiting 6-8 months to get the delivery of power? The most important thing is for you to do is to do the scanning of the market. Who all are the developers? Are there any developers whose projects are already set up and can deliver you faster? So reach out to as many people as possible. Check, do the thorough market scanning and figure out is there availability from the existing project. And second important thing within this is that once you've done the market scanning and about to negotiate the delivery of power, do visit the project site, do a thorough due diligence whether they have acquired the land, what is the status on the financial closure, has any construction started, or is the approvals, everything are there, so that you are confident and sure about this delivery of power on time. Second important term that you need to negotiate in a PPA is the tariff. Tariff, let me tell you one thing, that tariff is not the only important parameter. There are other terms also which matters. Imagine that you're buying something from Amazon and the cheapest product with 3.5 rating and a best price product with 4.5 rating. Which one would you pick? Or the obvious answer is with a 4.5 rating product. And why? Because the product will deliver on time, that the value that you're getting from this product is also matters than only the price. Having said this, price is a critical factor. You should be ensure that you are not signing the bad tariff. Bad tariff means neither way too high, neither way too low, so that you cannot get the delivery on time. And for you to assess whether the tariff is right or not, run a proper scientific process. Second important thing is be in control of the variables which impacts the tariff. For example, module prices, project costs, inverter prices, project finance, etc., and run a financial model like any developer does. Third important parameter is obviously the terms. As I said in the beginning, there are 57 clauses to be negotiated in any power purchase agreement. And other than tariff and delivery, there are 55 more terms to be negotiated. Terms like exit scenarios, minimum saving guarantee, force majeure. There are many other terms that you need to be negotiated. Sometimes those terms are not even standard terms, you need to customize. And for you to beautifully negotiate them, let me tell you a secret. Put a sheet, put down all the risks that you can envisage in a long-term power purchase agreement. Figure out a solution through your negotiation process, whether these risks can be mitigated in a win-win way, wherein your risk minimizes and developer risk also minimizes, and you're able to negotiate them in a win-win way. If you want to get out of this fear of signing the worst terms, if you want to get out of this fear of signing at the terms which are worse than the competitors, these three terms that I just told you, find an equilibrium at these three terms. You will then have sigh of relief and confidence, and you will be fearless to go ahead and sign the PPA and enjoy your cost savings, parallelly meeting renewable energy goals. If you found this video valuable, and if you want to know in deep detail that what terms can I sign up for, then I have a special invitation for you. The invitation is to invite you for a 1 hour one-to-one meeting with us, wherein me and my team can decode the terms that you can sign up, and I'm making you commitment that this 1 hour meeting with us will give you at least 100x value, and this meeting is currently at free of cost. So I look forward to see you in that meeting and also in my next video. Thank you.